OpenAI is in discussions with Broadcom, a $700 billion chip giant, to produce a chip capable of rivaling NVIDIA. Broadcom, larger than Intel, AMD, ARM, and Qualcomm combined, is set to play a crucial role in advancing AI hardware capabilities. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Broadcom's expertise in designing, developing, and supplying a wide range of semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions makes it a key player in various industries. From data center networking to home connectivity and telecommunications equipment, Broadcom's products are fundamental to modern technology and communication systems. OpenAI aims to develop advanced AI chips that can compete with NVIDIA's industry leading offerings. Leveraging its vast resources and expertise, Broadcom is poised to help OpenAI achieve significant advancements in AI chip technology. The market cap of Broadcom is surpassing $700 billion. Broadcom is a major player in the semiconductor industry, overshadowing other well-known companies like Intel, AMD, ARM, and Qualcomm. Broadcom's extensive experience in producing high-performance chips positions it well to collaborate on cutting-edge AI hardware. The collaboration is expected to yield AI chips with superior performance, efficiency, and capabilities. At the same time, NVIDIA recently became the third most valuable company globally, surpassing tech giants Alphabet, that is Google's parent company, and Amazon. In June, NVIDIA briefly took the top spot as the most valuable company, rising above both Microsoft and Apple. This move could disrupt the current dominance of NVIDIA in the AI chip market, introducing a new competitive dynamic. Moving forward, the partnership could accelerate innovation in AI hardware, leading to faster and more powerful AI systems. Secondly, the success of this collaboration might prompt other AI and tech companies to explore similar partnerships with leading semiconductor manufacturers. OpenAI's collaboration with Broadcom marks a significant step towards enhancing AI chip technology. With Broadcom's substantial market presence and technological expertise, this partnership holds the potential to revolutionize AI hardware, offering robust competition to NVIDIA and driving further innovation in the industry. Let's look into today's headlines. The government has finalized the DPDP draft and is ready for public review in 2 weeks. The government has completed the draft of the proposed rules for the Digital Personal Data Protection, that is DPDP Act 2023, and hopes to release them for public consultation in the second or third week of August. The rules are expected to be notified after the current session of the Parliament concludes. Google issues apology after Chrome bug deletes 15 million passwords. In public, Google has apologized after a bug in its Chrome web browser caused an estimated 15 million Windows users to lose access to their saved passwords. The issue started on July 24th and lasted for almost 18 hours. This glitch affected Chrome users globally, making it impossible for them to locate any passwords saved via the Chrome Password Manager and rendering newly saved passwords invisible. Apple may come up with foldable iPhone in 2026. Apple is currently developing a foldable iPhone and it could arrive in 2026. It is reported that similar to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip series, Apple is working on a clamshell design iPhone. The tech giant has been developing two foldable iPhone prototypes since February, and now the company has finalized the design. Belated ITR filing may incur a penalty of up to Rs 5,000. As of July 26th, more than 5 crore income tax returns, that is ITRs, have been filed, said the Income Tax Department. Many taxpayers are facing issues with the tax filing portal, putting them at risk of missing the crucial July 31st deadline. Missing the July 31st deadline for filing an ITR can result in significant consequences for taxpayers. Under Section 234F of the Income Tax Act 1961, filing a belated ITR incurs a penalty of up to Rs 5,000. HP India rolls out Be Unstoppable campaign for AI PCs. HP India is taking a pioneering step to create awareness about the benefits of AI PCs for the future workforce. HP created a campaign titled Be Unstoppable with HP AI PCs to resonate with Gen Zs, the first digital native generation who are rapidly embracing AI. HP's AI PCs are designed to support their journey towards success by tackling new and unfamiliar challenges. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.